Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making an Italian classic, osso buco. To start, tie some kitchen twine around your cross-cut veal to keep them from falling apart during the long cooking process. Coat your veal in salt and pepper and flour. In a heavy pot over medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and sear or brown your veal. Once browned, set it aside and add your mirepoix. That's onions, celery, and carrots. Cook until soft. Add 1 cup of crushed tomatoes, then 1 cup of diced tomatoes, half a cup of white wine, and 2 cups of beef or chicken broth. Salt and pepper, four to 5 cloves of chopped garlic, one teaspoon of oregano, and add 1 small bunch of thyme. You could also add a bay leaf. Mix it well and simmer for about 15 minutes before adding shanks. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Place the lid on the pot and cook for about 2 hours or until the meat is tender. Serve with risotto alla milanese, or polenta or mashed potatoes. Spoon over some fresh gremolata and bellissimo. We hope you liked this recipe and that you give it a try. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a Tuesday or Wednesday upload. Feel free to comment if you have any suggestions or ideas for future videos. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.